Good afternoon, guys. It's Countryman back with another baking video. Today I got y'all a really good one. Today I'm going to be baking for y'all in this little bread pan a maple syrup cinnamon banana bread. First thing we're going to start by doing is preheat my oven to 350. Let's go. There it is. Let's get baking. Alright, y'all. So we're going to start with 3 bananas. I'm going to peel them. By the way, how do you peel a banana? I've been told this is the correct way to do it, but this is the way I do it. Comment below how you peel a banana. Break them in half. Alright, now that I have my 3 bananas all smashed up, ready to go. It calls for ripe bananas, but when I found this recipe, I just couldn't wait. So I just went to the store, grabbed some bananas. Might not taste the same, but I'm sure it won't be that far off. Let's continue. Now I'll take my 1.5 cups of butter, pour that in there. Try to get that all. Switch that around like that. 1/2 cup of maple syrup. Which, by the way, is some expensive stuff. Did not know that until I went get some. And by the way, look what kind of bottle this maple syrup came in. Look like a darn whiskey bottle. Just crack it open, take a little sip. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do, 2 yard eggs out of the backyard. I'll put that in there. Greek plain yogurt, put that in there. Gotta make sure you get it all. And with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we stir. Alright, now that we have all that incorporated, I hope this is what it's supposed to look like. Now, we put all of our dry ingredients in. Let's fold that in. Alright, now that I have it all folded in, guys, look at that. Ooh, that's beautiful. Take my this here bread pan. I already got the parchment paper. Put this in there. Alright, now that I got it all in my pan, all smoothed out, we put it in the oven. They call for 55 to 60 minutes. I think I'm going to do 56. So, I'll see y'all in 56 minutes to put this tasty goodness in our mouths. Alright guys, so we're halfway through, 28 minutes. Here's what we're looking like. 28 minutes left. Let's continue to cook. I'll be back in 28. Alright, and it's all done. It beat. Let's see. They say golden brown. That's what they say. Let's check it out. Ooh, I'd say that's golden brown. Now I'm gonna let it sit for a little while. Pop it out. And I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna try this. All right, y'all. Got my bread knife. Been about 10 minutes. Some cuts. So the video that I watched, she said she put honey butter on it. I don't have any. We're just gonna try it without. With the raw Original taste. This is what it come out to look like. Oh my God. Yo. Ain't no way. Bruh. Woo. Oh my goodness. Yo, I swear. This is probably the best dessert I've done so far. Woo. Maple syrup, cinnamon, banana bread. Wow. God, I'm telling y'all, it'll put a big smile on your face. This is amazing. However, you can do whatever you want by modifying it. Chocolate chips, blueberries, anything. I did it original for the first time. Whoo, I think it's just fine like this. Wow, y'all. Comment down below if y'all have had this, ever heard of this, ever made this. Not just banana bread, but maple syrup, cinnamon banana bread. And of course, like always, be sure to like and subscribe. That's what keeps me going. Till next time, banana out.